Replace those negative thoughts with positive ones. I challenge you to replace those thoughts and challenge 3 other friends to replace their negative thoughts with positive thoughts today. Quit telling yourself that same story every day, every week, every month. Change your thinking, change your life. Listen, this is the mid-year mindset management challenge. We have to rewrite the story and the narrative in our head. Let's start working on our future and our goals, and to hell with the past. There's nothing we can do about it anyway. Mid-year mindset management. Go to my website, thetavaniafrazier.com, for simple mindset management techniques that I use every day, every week, every month to pull myself up and to keep going. Listen, my mind is wired the same way as yours. It was designed to keep us in our comfort zones. It's like, no, don't go over there. Don't do this. Stay at this job. You've been here. You know the people. You know, to heck with that. Everything's going up, but these wages, you got a story within you. You got a craft, a specialty. Your friends are telling you, just do it, just do it. Listen to them. So today, I want you to replace those negative thoughts with positive thoughts. That's going to get you on track to do it every day and to get out your comfort zone and into your greatness. Don't think, just do. Bye.